Hi.
Who?
My name's Buzz Aldrin, and I was the second man on space, and that's Neil Armstrong. He was the first one. And actually, I'm Neil Armstrong. She's Buzz Aldrin.
No, I'm Buzz Lightyear.
Oh, yeah. He's right here.
I slap your finger till you die.
I slap my hair back and forth with some. Just slap it. Slap it real good.
That does not sound right.
Sorry, my ear itches.
So today, Mr. Flabbergaster told me that
Where's Gertrude? Dude, where's Gertrude?
Right here.
Dude, I need Gertrude.
Nah.
I need to get it to go all the way up. Ready?
Ah!
I got to
Look
stay
at you.
longer.
I can do it longer. Ah! Fail.
Ooh. Wait, let's make. Wait, shh. We're gonna make it go up really slowly. Shh. Wait, don't say anything. That's so fun.
You like skipped that
Your
much.
turn. Your turn.
So you can hold it up to red the longest, okay?
Ready?
Okay, I'm timing you. Go. Fail!
Okay, go.
You got 5 seconds.
Ready? Okay, I'm done with this. My finger hurts.
Can you stop? I'm going to bed.
Okay. Bye. Peace.
What?
Peace.
Sorry. That's one of our own little conversations.
I'm a cheerleader.
Me too. I'm really
No,
good.
you know those facial expressions Kim makes?
No.
She always goes. And then when she does her facial, you know you have to add like facial expression.
Yeah, yeah.
Like most people are like,
I know they like over-exaggerated. Like,
no, but like Kim's always like,
dude, all Kim does when she takes pictures is she's like,
wait, why do you need your phone? Kiss me.
no,
Kiss me.
no,
Infect me with your life.
No.
Infect me with your life.
No.
Take me.
no,
To take me.
no,
Boy, you're an
No.
alien.
no.
Your touch, your
No.
Adderall. It's supernatural. Dude, where's frick? No, I need my headband. I look deformed. You don't look deformed. I look deformed without a headband. Dude, get me. Where's frickin' Gertrude the drawer? Swear to God, if I have to go home.
I had a baby. Want to see
Here,
him?
Annie, you can have this headband.
See, he's full of water right now. The liquid, see? It's the
I'm
liquid.
gonna put powder.
That's all his blood.
I'm gonna put
when you shake
donut
it up.
powder all over my face.
He spilled. He took a Laz.
Look. I'm a tribal person.
Oh, poo. Dude, remember what?
Dude, why is it wet?
Because the baby peed. Dude, remember today when we were with the popcorn
Yeah.
and the powder?
It feels like it was such a long time ago.
It really does.
I was like,
Dude, I just like chucked it into that puddle. And it's like, goodbye.
that was so random. You're like, we're going outside.
You're
Here,
like,
tell them
"Why?"
the story.
Okay, so I made popcorn, right? And like, there's just popcorn powder and stuff, and we poured it all over popcorn because there's only like that much popcorn left, and I crunched it all up, and we got bored, and so I turned on the sink and put a bunch of water in it, and it looked really ugly and crappy, and okay, and I was like, okay, Rachel, come and put your shoes on, we're going outside. She's like, why? And so I was like, don't question it. And so I grabbed the bowl, put on my shoes, and grabbed an umbrella, and we go outside in the rain, and I was like, went like halfway across my house, and it's like, yay. And then there's where it's raining, you know, and we chucked it into a puddle after you said some kind words about it.
Oh yeah. I remember the kind words. Like it was yesterday. No! Just eat it.
Do I look pretty?
Ew, it's like in your eyebrow. Dude, where's Gertrude?
Somewhere.
Can't this video's gonna go on until we find her.
Alrighty then. I found her. Give her mouth to mouth. She is not breathing.
She was in our other video. And on Sunday,
I broke it.
Dude, I broke mine too. The one that Allie got me.
It's so cheap.
I saw my blue one, but the other one she got me. I broke it.
I kind of like it like this.
Here. No, yeah, I have a thing. I have a scab.
Don't show them your scab.
That was nasty. It's super
It's like a deformed head, like you.
Extraterrestrial. Dude, can we watch those weather videos that we made like forever ago?
Like 900 years ago?
Yeah, like it was the one that you, me, and Allie made.
Yeah, that was really like, we spent like
Those were so
4
funny.
hours on
Remember it
that.
got cut off? I was so
I know,
mad. I was like crying. I was like, oh no! I thought it got deleted and then we made it different. Those were so. We worked so hard on this. Remember we got like all the stuff.
I know, and then like her mom came down that one time. She's like, "What do you guys do?" We're like, "We're
We're
making
making-
the weather."
Oh my god, that's so funny.
It was so.
No, I was like sports. Then we had weather and.
Break this off. This is part of it. I can't do it.
Ow.
Hold that. I know it hurts.
Ow!
Hold it harder.
It got my.
Pussy.
Gertrude doesn't like that. It's supernatural.
I got me a
Look,
whip now.
the giraffe and the stomach.
Does it hurt?
Yeah. Okay, well, we're gonna make another video, and then we're gonna, yeah. Okay, so, au revoir. Annie, stop. If you hit me, I swear I'm gonna kill you. I can't even press stop. Okay, Annie, say bye.
Bye.
Au revoir.